All natural cleaning tablets, the cleaning tablets made from the natural ingredients. Safe and biodegradable, chlorine and odor-free, simple to use and fast efficient, easy to remove stubborn stains and odors. Fits for any water container, designed for all kinds of water bottle and drink storages, cleaning for camelback hydration bladder, water reservoir, water storage bladder bag, stainless steel, plastic, and glass water bottles, mugs, sport traveling hydration bladders, coffee tumbler, reservoirs, water bladders, or the water containers which some difficult parts to clean, also. For bottle caps, straws. Easy to use, simple to clean your sport water bottles, no need other cleaning tools, fill the water containers with warm water, then drop in a cleaning tablet, let it stand for 15-30 minutes, finally empty the water containers and rinse the container thoroughly, your bottle is instantly ready to be used again. Cleans quickly and effectively, refreshes the inside. Value for money, 36 cleaning tablets came in a package, only one tablet could clean most water reservoirs and containers, which saves your time and money. Large number of cleaning tablets in one package is enough to meet your needs for long time using. Wide applications, each cleaning tablet is individually packaged, lightweight and portable, using them in hiking, camping, sport.